Hello, my dear students. Today we are going to learn our grammar concept subject verb agreement. Yesterday we have seen about some rules related to subject verb agreement. Now today we are going to learn next rule of the subject verb agreement. See what is the next rule. If two nouns are joined by with or as well as, the verb agrees with the first noun. Means if two nouns are joined by with, means with is the conjunction or as well as is the conjunction there. That time verb agrees with the first noun. Means because two nouns are joined by with or as well as, and that's why first whatever the first noun, if it is singular, verb also singular. If it is plural, verb also plural. Means which noun? First noun. Now see example. If that means if the first noun is singular, the verb must be singular. Even if the second verb is plural, the verb also plural. Now example C. The cat as well as the kittens has had no milk this morning. Means cat as well as the kittens. Means cat is the singular noun, the kittens is the plural noun. But here first noun is cat and cat is singular, and that's why verb also singular has. Okay, they're not written have. Means because it is agree with the first subject cat, which is singular. Then see next example. The mobile phone with its accessories has been missing since Monday. Means there are two nouns. First noun is my mobile phone and second noun is accessories. Okay, and but here phone is the singular, and that's why verb is agree with the phone. Okay, means has is written there. Then rule number next. The number of a subject is not changed by a phrase following the subject. Means a number of a subject is not changed when by a phrase following subject. See, remember that verb agrees in number with its subject, not with the object of a preposition. Means if there is an object of preposition, but verb agrees with the whatever the first noun is there. Now see example. One of the students has got all the answers wrong. One is the means it is a noun there. Okay, which is means sentence starting with the one, and students is a plural. But here what says verb agrees in number with its subject, not with the object of a preposition. Means object of a preposition is here of the student. Of is the preposition. Okay, means if there is like this way sentences, that time means subject verb subject agreement is related to first subject. Okay. Then next is enlargement of the subject using compound preposition does not affect the number of the subject. Means if there is an enlargement happen related to the sentence because of the compound preposition, but that does not affect the number of the subject. Means see, Simi together with her sisters has been taking French lessons. Okay, has been taken French lessons. Means Simi together with her sisters. Means here what consider Simi, not sisters, and that's why verb is singular, has. Then second sentence say Sam along with Saif and Sajan was elected to the student council. Means here because there are Sam, Saif, Sajan, these are the three students, but their name mentioned separately with the help of conjunction. Okay, means here consider singular subject, and that's why verb is agree with the first subject. Then next, a verb agrees with its subject, not its predicate nominative. Means verb only agree with its verb, not with the predicate nominative. Next is Example C, traffic jams are one of the problem of motorist. Means here subject is traffic jams, and that's why here written verb plural. Next example, one problem of motorists is traffic jam. Means here consider one problem, not the motorist. Okay, and that's why here take the singular subject. Next, a collective noun is followed by a singular or plural verb according to the sense. Means if there is a collective noun, that time which verb is there, singular or plural? It is remain according to the sense. Means whatever the sense of the sentence. Now example C, our team is playing against Don Bosco today. Means here team taken as a what? Single body. Team taken as a single body. Okay. Means here consider whole team. Okay, whole team means one team. And in the second sentence, our team are wearing blue t-shirts today. Means each of the member of team here consider in the second sentence. Okay, and that's why here subject verb agreement is means happen according to the sense. Then next is words stating amount are usually singular. Means whatever the words word or group of words stating an amount of money, weight, time or measure is usually considered as one atom takes a singular verb. Means if there is a like this way group of words, if there is a group of amount of money, time, weight, measure are these concept in group, that time it take a singular verb. See, 100 rupees is a small amount nowadays. Means 100 rupees. Okay, it consider here only singular subject. 8 days was the full allotted to submit the alignment. Okay, means 8 days odds, 8 days. 8 is considered there and subject is singular. Like this way, subject verb agreement there. Okay, next part of the remaining we will learn tomorrow. Okay, thank you.